Welcome! Today I'd like to show you how I make my bows. I use these in a variety of things, from my boutonnieres to corsages. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to gather. So let's get into it. First, I start by grabbing the medium-sized piece of ribbon that we cut, and we cut it at an angle. Then you're going to seal the ends. We're going to do this with all the pieces to keep them all from unraveling. Now we're going to take the largest piece and fold it in half. And then I overlap the ends at the middle. Once I've done that, I take a needle and thread and put it through the ribbons to hold them in place. And now I make an accordion fold. So you fold over one end and then you fold over the other. And you just press it down, and I twist thread around a few times to hold it in place. And then I go through it to really cinch it together. Now we're going to grab the tail piece and get that connected. So we fold that one in half and then do an accordion fold with that one also. Try to get it all nice and even, and then set it up so that the middles are connected, and twist it around a few times and go through and connect it. Tie it on down. Make sure it looks good. Now we're going to trim it, and we will get the center made. Put a little dollop of hot glue in the center to hold the thread in place. Next, we will grab the last piece of ribbon and fold it in half. Now we're going to glue it together so that it stays folded. Glue both sides. From here, we're going to scrunch the bow back together and add a little bit of glue on it. This is the back of the bow. Then we're going to put the ribbon piece on it. Then we're going to fold it all the way around so that it's covering the front. And then we're going to try to get it to meet on the back again so that it's completely going around. And then we glue it into place and hold it for a minute to make sure that the glue sets. Do a little cleaning up of all the strings. Lastly, I like to add rhinestones to mine. So you just put a little dollop of glue in the center of the bow and just put a little rhinestone on it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you.